Excel gives us freedom to make our own rules. Let's select the data range name. In conditional formatting, click on New Rule. The new formatting rule window appears. In here, we have options very similar to the default rules provided by Excel, just that we have more control over these rules now. Let's see how. Select Format all cells based on their values. Select 3 color scale. As we can see, we have the freedom to add the colors we want to the color scale. Let's select light red for lower values, medium red for mid values, and a dark red for highest values. So basically, our color scale will be a scale of colors in red. Click on OK, and the color scale is applied to our data. As we can see, the highest numbers are not clearly visible, so let's select the data again. Select Data Range Name. In conditional formatting, go to New Rule. Now select Format only cells that contain. Let's select greater than in this drop-down menu and type in a value, say 8000. Click on Format. Click on Fill in the Format Cells window and select the color. Now, in Font, select white as the font color. Click on OK to exit the Format Cells window and then click on OK to apply the format. The numbers greater than 8000 have a red fill and the font is displayed in white just as we wanted. Select the range of cells again. Select Data 2. We can also apply formatting to cells based on a formula. Click on New Rule in conditional formatting. When the New Rule dialog box appears, click on Use a formula to determine cells to format. In this box, we have to enter a formula. Select the box and start the formula with an equal sign. Type is text. Note that the autocomplete list for the formulas does not appear here. Hence, you have to be very sure of the formulas you enter, or else the formatting will not be applied. Open parenthesis, type A10. The reference used in a formula when you are using it in conditional formatting is generally the upper left cell. Close parenthesis. Now click on the Format button. Here, we have to select the format to be applied if the condition of the formula given is satisfied, that is, if the cell contains a text. Let's select this shade and click on OK. We can see the preview here. Click on OK and the cells containing text are filled with the shade we selected. Go to Sheet 2 now. Select the total sales of all the chocolates. Click on the name box. Select the total sales. In conditional formatting, go to Data Bars and select any of the solid or gradient fill. As we can see, the Data Bars conditional format displays horizontal bars directly in the cell. The length of the bar is based on the value of the cell relative to the other values in the range. Try increasing and decreasing the length of the column consisting of the data bars. You will notice that the length of the data bar adjusts according to the width of the column. Click on Sheet 1 again. In conditional formatting, click on Manage Rules. Conditional Formatting Rules Manager window appears. Ensure that this worksheet is selected in the Show Formatting Rules option. In this window, we can see the order in which the rules were applied. You can also add a new rule, edit a rule, or delete a rule using this window. This can prove very useful when many rules have been applied to a same set of data. This concludes our tutorial on more about conditional formatting.